morning, students. Today we will discuss part 8 of the chapter Indigo by Louis Pasteur. We have completed up to page 52. Okay, and today we have to start page number 53. So up to now what we have studied, Mahatma Gandhi on the entreaty, on the request of Rajkumar Shukla, visited Champaran. Okay, and finally events had proven Gandhi's position. How? Because Mahatma Gandhi finally made landlords to surrender their property, not only property but also part of their prestige. In my previous video I have cleared it. Why did Gandhi agree on 25%? Means landlords proposed that they would pay only 25% of the money whatever they had taken from the farmers. Okay, they were ready to pay only 25%, although Gandhi demanded 50%, but landlords proposed to pay only 25%, and Gandhi break the deadlock. And he agreed on 25%. Later on Gandhi cleared it. What? That money is not important, but what is important, that landlords, in the first time it happened that British landlords were ready to surrender their part of prestige along with the money. And moreover, here farmers learned the courage. Farmers had developed faith in justice. Okay, fine. So we have studied up to here. Then we have come to know events had proven Gandhi's position. How? Gandhi's position. Okay, Gandhi's position. So you have to understand over here how Gandhi's position means that British landlords, what happened? They returned within a few years. The British planters, landlords left their estates, left their property, and finally properties and lands were returned back to the peasants. Okay, and sharecropping soon came to an end. Yes, students. Still Mahatma Gandhi stayed in Champaran. Means after solving the problem of the Champaran, पूरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने के बाद में भी चंपारण में महात्मा गांधी रुकते हैं. That was Gandhi. Why did he stay in Champaran? Actually, Gandhi was not satisfied, or Gandhi was never satisfied with what? Political and economic solution. He was not satisfied with political and economic solution. Gandhi was not satisfied with political and economic solutions. Point to be noted over here that Gandhi was not satisfied with political and economic solutions. Actually, he sought to remove the cultural and social backwardness of Champaran. Actually, he wanted to do something. Actually, Gandhi wanted to do something to remove cultural and social backwardness. Okay, so Gandhi wanted to do something. Gandhi wanted to do something to remove cultural and social backwardness. Actually, he would like to uplift. Actually, he would like to uplift the status. Actually, he would like to uplift. Actually, he would like to uplift the status of Champaran. Actually, he would like to uplift the status of Champaran, and now here we will see what he had done over there. What had he done over there to uplift the status? Fine. So up to now we have studied one part. What is that part? That the struggle of Gandhi in Champaran. Okay, to get rid of the problem. Which problem? Indigo sharecropping. It soon came to an end, but then Mahatma Gandhi stayed in Champaran. For what reason? We will see over here. Page number 53. Gandhi never contented means satisfied himself with large political or economic solutions. I have already written over here. He saw the cultural and social backwardness in Champaran villages and wanted to do something about it immediately. Actually, Gandhi wanted to solve. See, Gandhi was called over here. Gandhi came here on the request of Rajkumar Shukla. Rajkumar Shukla followed him, tenacious attitude, and Mahatma Gandhi reached over there. Then finally, when Mahatma Gandhi solved the problem, an official commission was set up there, and everything was done. Still Mahatma Gandhi stayed in Champaran. For what reason? We have to understand it, that Gandhi was not man of politics. He believed in what? He believed in cultural and social upliftment. So see over here. He saw the cultural and social backwardness in the Champaran villages and wanted to do something about it immediately. He appealed for teachers. First of all, he would like to improve the social condition. How? He appealed for teachers. So underline Mahadev Desai, Narhari Parikh, two young men who had just joined Gandhi as disciples, scholars, and their wives volunteered for the work. They approached. Gandhi approached them. Okay, he asked for volunteers. Volunteers means to pay service free of cost. To pay service free of cost. So over there, these two young men, Mahadev Desai and Narhari Parikh, approached Gandhi in Champaran along with their wives. And their wives volunteered, means selfless service, volunteered for their work. Several more came from Bombay, Pune and other distant parts of the land. Devdas, youngest son of Gandhi, Gandhi's youngest son, arrived from the ashram, and so did Mrs. Gandhi. Primary schools were opened in 6 villages. Means Gandhi first of opens what? Primary school in 6 villages. Gandhi opened primary school in 6 villages to uplift the social status of the Champaran village. Primary schools were opened in 6 villages. Kasturbai taught the ashram rules on personal cleanliness. Then Gandhi wanted what? A cleanliness habit to be developed among Champaran. वो चाहते थे कि चंपारण के लोगों को cleanliness की habit हो. So Gandhi requested Kasturba to taught ashram rules and cleanliness habit among the Champaran women and all. So ashram rules on personal cleanliness and community sanitation. Health conditions were miserable. Gandhi got a doctor to volunteer his services for 6 months. See over here. So see, महात्मा गांधी का टास्क था यहाँ पे चंपारण का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना, बट महात्मा गांधी ने उसके बाद में भी चंपारण में अपना क्या दिया? टाइम दिया. वाई? बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट मैन ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. ही नेवर satisfied with what? Political and economic solutions. He wanted cultural upliftment. He wanted social upliftment. So over here, when he had come to know about the health conditions. So health conditions were miserable. Gandhi got a doctor to volunteer his services for 6 months. For 6 months, 3 medicines were available free of cost. Castor oil, okay, vegetable oil that is used for many purposes, okay. Castor oil, quinine, we know very well quinine medicine is generally used to cure malaria, okay. And sulfur ointment. Anybody who showed a coated tongue was given a dose of castor oil. Anybody with malaria fever received quinine plus castor oil. Anybody with skin eruption here means spot, rashes, okay, rashes is eruptions over here, rashes, skin eruptions, receive ointment plus castor oil. So he did whatever he could do over there to improve the social health condition, social conditions and cultural upliftment. Gandhi noticed the filthy poor state of women's clothes. When he has come to know about women, that almost women were in very dirty sarees, okay. In Champaran village, women were in dirty sarees, means they were not in, you can say, they were not clean. So Gandhi requests Kasturba to ask the problem behind this. He asked Kasturba to talk to them about it. One woman, Kasturba, approached Champaran women. So among those ladies, one woman took Kasturba into her heart and said, "Look, there is no box और कबर्ड हियर फॉर क्लोज." देखो, ना तो हमारे घर में कोई बॉक्स है ना कबर्ड है, एंड नेदर बॉक्स नॉर कबर्ड, एंड मोर ओवर ओनली वन साड़ी शी हैड. सिर्फ एक साड़ी है जो हम इसी को डेली पहनते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज डर्टी. ये डर्टी है, ओके. विथ सो लुक, देयर इज नो बॉक्स और कबर्ड हियर फॉर क्लोथ्स. The sari I am wearing is the only I have. See how much poor they were. चंपारण के लोग कितने गरीब थे. लेडीज की कंडीशन देखिए. Only one sari they have, and they had to wear that only. And moreover, they didn't have cupboard or boxes in their houses. Okay. So Gandhi still wanted to improve their condition, and he had improved a lot over there. First of all, हमने क्या पढ़ा? हेल्थ कंडीशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए he had called the doctors, okay, free services, to volunteer free services. He called doctors for 6 months, and then 3 medicines were available. Three medicines were available. First one is castor oil. Then we have come to know sulfur ointment, okay, sulfur ointment, and then quinine, okay. 3 medicines were available. Castor oil, sulfur ointment and quinine, okay. Then we have come to know means it was solved. Then we have come to know about the health condition. Primary schools were opened in 6 villages to improve their social status, okay. During his long stay in Champaran, Gandhi kept a long distance. Now it is what? Gandhi's opinion, Gandhi's principle to always think for the future, far imagination that you are not able to imagine. जो आप imagine नहीं करते उतना गांधी आगे सोचते हैं. So during his long stay in Champaran, Gandhi kept a long distance watch on the ashram. Means he was very vigilant. बहुत vigilant थे. He sent regular instructions by mail. It was not there that he only looked for Champaran. During his stay in Champaran, he showed his what attitude. He showed his vigilant attitude towards ashram की तरफ उनका पूरा ध्यान था. वहाँ भी he sent regular instructions by mail and asked for financial accounts. Once, see, it is an example how much vigilant he was. कितने vigilant थे. Once he wrote to the residents of the ashram that it was time to fill in the old latrine trenches. Earlier it was the system for latrine trenches were dig, okay, and dig new ones, otherwise the old ones would begin to smell bad. So we can see over here with this with the example of latrine trenches, we have come to know that Gandhi was very vigilant, okay, and he had the caliber to do many actions, to perform many actions at a time. एक बार में वो कई काम कर सकते थे. Mean during his stay in Champaran, while solving the problem of Champaran, he had his he had his watch on the ashram, or maybe he had his watch on different prospects, okay. So we have come to know that during his long stay in Champaran, Gandhi kept a long distance watch on the ashram, and we have understood the example of latrine trenches, okay. Then page number 54. Champaran episode was turning point in Gandhi's life. It is important point that because why this Champaran episode was a turning point in Gandhi's life, because he explained that whatever he did was not new. जो कुछ मैंने किया, जो कुछ गांधी ने किया, गांधी बोलते वो नया नहीं था. I only means conveyed that I would not listen to anybody in my own country. मेरे देश में मैं और किसी की नहीं सुनूंगा. And moreover, I would not obey any outsider's order. So he explained over there that why did Champaran episode a turning point in Gandhi's life? Because after this Champaran movement, after this episode, Gandhi had decided Britishers departure from India. Gandhi का जो एटीट्यूड था ब्रिटिशर्स के लिए, इट वॉज चेंज्ड ओवर हियर. यहाँ चेंज होता है. यहीं से उन्होंने डिसाइड किया था कि ब्रिटिशर्स शुड लीव इंडिया. ही अर्ज्ड ब्रिटिशर्स टू लीव इंडिया, एंड ही हैड गिवन the statement in the interview. Interview was taken by Louis Fischer. As we all know very well, Louis Fischer had written a biography on Mahatma Gandhi, the life of Mahatma Gandhi, and this chapter is taken out from there. We all know very well, okay. And Gandhi explained over there at first that why I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of British. मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्यों मैंने ब्रिटिश का रिक्वेस्ट किया, डिसाइड किया कि वो यहाँ से जाए. इट वॉज इन 1917. सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द पॉइंट इन 1917. सो दैट्स वाई चंपारण एपिसोड वॉज अ टर्निंग पॉइंट इन गांधी's life. What I did, he explained, was a very ordinary thing. Gandhi explained that he did a very ordinary thing. For us, it was a very special thing. लेकिन गांधी कहते हैं मैंने तो ordinary thing किया. क्या? I declared that British could not order me about in my own country. It is my country. India is my country, my nation, and here nobody can give me order. Nobody means outsider. Britishers were not allowed to give me order. And that's why I disobeyed the order. And when he disobeyed the order, the whole scenario changed. How he was called in the Motihari court. Over there we have seen how he regulated the crowd, and then we have seen how magistrate would like to postpone the case, and then Gandhi was released without bail. Then we have come to know he exclaimed the battle of Champaran is won when lawyers were united. And finally Lieutenant Governor Mr. Edward Gate agreed something wrong was done. Official inquiry was set up, and Mahatma Gandhi took a turn. Means the Champaran indigo sharecropping was twisted over there. वहाँ पूरा change होता है, twist होता है, and finally indigo sharecropping came to an end. So Mahatma Gandhi told that Champaran episode जो कुछ हुआ, it just because of what, that my voice of conscience, मेरा voice क्या था, that I would help the humanity. Same thing has happened over here. यहाँ भी यही होता है that he said that he did a very ordinary thing. What? That he disobeyed the order of any outsider, that is British. Okay, so we have done up to here. Now we will see one more interesting part of the Champaran that happened in 1917 in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.